happy Christmas Eve. So, you know, I've been away from the camera for about a couple weeks because I had a death in the family, so I just didn't have the time or energy or even the mindset or thought to even pick up the camera. So we needed to rejuvenate over here in this space. However, it put a damper in my Christmas plans and all the Christmas things that I wanted to do for my YouTube channel to, you know, show a different side and, you know, to probably prosper it. You know what I mean? But anyways, so I did not get to show you guys my Christmas home decor, and I did not get to do a video. So instead of me doing like a full blown out video, I am just going to give you guys a brief overview of what I did for this Christmas just on this vlog versus me doing a whole home tour video. I would have preferred to do a home tour or a living room, a dining room tour, and a decorate with me type video, but I just really didn't get a chance to record the decorate with me. But I wanted to do a home decor walkthrough video, but I didn't get a chance to record that. So since Christmas is tomorrow, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I have done so far. What I have done, period, just for the season and the color scheme that I went with. So I'm just gonna give you guys that quick little mini brief tour and just show you guys on the vlog. Who y'all see back there? She's making, what you making, babe?
Peach cobbler, cabbage, and chicken, baked chicken.
So that's part of Christmas Eve, Christmas dinner. But the peach cobbler is for Christmas, I hope. Anyways, so that's what she's making so far. Then I gotta clean 4 bundles of greens because y'all know we don't want no bloods in our greens, and I'm not eating nobody bloods. No bloods, no bloods, no bloods. But anyways, let me go ahead and get this video on to the part of showing you the Christmas decor. Let's go. So you guys, this is the overview of the living room space. I do have the ring light on to give you a little light to make it look like it's daylight because it's getting dark outside. You know, it get dark early in the winter. So I turned on the ring light to give it a much daylight lighting look, but I will show you guys a brief overview of what it looks like when it's dark outside. So just in this area right here, all I did was put a candle, and I got this candle for, if y'all saw my what was that haul video that I did for Christmas haul decor? If y'all saw the video, almost everything that you guys see that I'm going to show you was in that haul video. So if you guys kind of want to know where I got everything at, just go ahead and watch that haul video. What I did. So on this table, I just put a ginger jar. I put some glittery type picks, and this is like a little elephant snow globe that I think I got that from Walgreens years ago, and that's just what I got on this table. Here, this is what I did with this table. I think this is my favorite part of this space. Well, one of my favorite parts. My other favorite part is the tree, but this is my favorite spot. One of my favorite spots of the decor for the table. Here, this is just the couch. I went and got a couch cover, cushion cover. I got it off Amazon. It ain't the perfect fit, but it is okay for a temporary fix to like change the color scheme of your furniture if you don't want to go out and purchase new furniture. So that's pretty new that y'all did not see on the vlog on my home decor, Christmas decor video. And those 2 pillows I got from Amazon. This is the fireplace area. I just decorated it with what is this called? Gosh, y'all, I was this stuff, garland, and I just got the froth. It's like the frothy garland, and I got that from Walmart. And this is what I just did in this space. Not nothing overwhelming or underwhelming. I actually think it's pretty perfect for what I did. And this is my fabulous tree. I absolutely love the Christmas tree. I think this turned out so perfect. This year I went with gold, silvers, whites, and black. And I love it. this is what I did with the tree. I'll show you guys what it looked like lit up because it's super bright. It's like hella bright. It's like the LED lights. I use LED lights on that instead of the warm tone Christmas lights. And y'all, had to decorate the pole. I did need more garland. One more, but I just said forget it because I didn't want to go out and buy no more garland because we just had too much going on and I didn't actually have the time. So we just worked with whatever garland that I had, and I added some ornaments and some ribbons, and I added some lights on it. That garland over there has lights on it as well, but I put lights on it so you guys, it lights up at night. It's on right now, you just can't see it because I got that bright ass light. Didn't do too much. I just put the little poinsettia flowers, 2 little Christmas trees, and another candle that I got from Target, and the gold table. We just left it here. So that's that space. And over here, y'all, this is the dining room space. I just carried the theme over the golds, the blacks, and silvers. Over here, there's not really too much white. We have mainly like a lot of clear decor going on here. So here is a close-up of the table. I think it came out super cute. I like it. I'm happy with how it came out. And I will show you guys what it looked like with the candles lit. I have not lit any of the candles because I wanted to save that for Christmas Day to light this up. So I'll do the full blossoming of the dining room table on Christmas morning. And this is this little area where I have the little credenza, and I decorated that with the same theme, blacks, golds, and silvers. And I love how it came out. My little big fat ginger jar over there. My urns. She calls them urns, y'all. But I had like little leftover gold leaves. So I just threw those little gold leaves in there with the gold ginger jar and just left that one there. I really didn't have no home for it, so I left it right there. It's perfectly fine. But that is an overview of this space. Too much going on right here. It was a little more organized when I set it up, but you know, this is real life, y'all, and we live in this space and we do everything in this space. So I'm not even about to perpetrate like it don't be lived in. So this is real life versus Instagram, okay? So I'm showing y'all the real life versus Instagram. So y'all judge me if y'all want to, but I don't really care. So what I'm gonna say is, don't judge me, judge your mammy. But anywho, this is what I did in this space. Those little flowers back there, that wasn't a part of the decor. Those were flowers I got from my job for condolences flowers for my job for my stepdad. And I just left them there because they're flowers. They go on the that's the space that we put them in. And so I just put this little area here. I mainly kind of did it just to kind of piggyback off of the whites, because I really was going to use those little stuffed animals to make like a little snow cluster under the tree. But my Aya Papaya, that little thing right there, thought they were toys. So I just used them up there because I really had no home for them, because she would not leave them alone for nothing. And also with the tree, I took the gate from around the tree so I can show you guys what it looked like in a hole. But we have to put the baby gate around the tree, or the doggy gate around the tree, because Aya takes everything off of it, and she still can get it off by jumping on the couch by pulling off all my doggone ribbons and stuff. That's pretty much the gist of the decorating of the home. I didn't do, well, you know what? I can say I did a lot, because to Tiff, it's overwhelming. She say it's a lot. She just, I don't know. Babe, what do you say? It's a lot? It's too much?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. It doesn't look bad, but it's a lot.
It's not a lot. I don't think she understands.
It's a lot.
What a home decorator loves to do. Yeah. I'm not a professional yet. I'm on my road to be the professional, because you know what? You perfect your craft with your own space. Anyways, she just thinks it's just overwhelming. But I love it. It's like
I am the Christmas Grinch.
Yeah, she is a Grinch. But no matter what I do, if I decorate for Easter, I start decorating for Easter in like February, and she'd be like, Anitra, Easter not until another 2 months. This is not a lot.
40 reindeer.
No, I don't.
25 urns. 3 sleds. Santa didn't even have 3 sleds. He only had 1.
I only got 2. I ain't got 2. I got 1.
How many Santa had?
I only see 1 sleigh over here. Wait a minute. I thought I bought a small sleigh. Oh, maybe I didn't buy it. Hold on. Did I get it? I don't know. But anyways, so that's the overall of what I did for Christmas. It's not too much to me. I could have added more. I could have went overboard with more reindeers. You can never have too many reindeers. You can never have too many blings. You can never have too many sparkles, too many diamonds, too many of anything. So whatever she talking about, she wrong. Babe, got the cabbage on. I am about to pluck and clean these greens. I'm probably going to sit in there and pluck them and then bring them back into the kitchen and clean them. The worst part about greens. So, let's get started, y'all. I have them soaking in salt water and white vinegar. You can also use a little baking soda if you have some. I don't have any, so I am only using the salt and vinegar water mixture. No soap, yeah. No soap, yeah. I'm not using soap on my greens. You can buy a veggie wash, but I do it the old school way. My granny just used to use salt, but I use a little bit of vinegar. Tip-it water is kind of like a lukewarm. And I let them soak for a minute, and then I take each leaf before I cut them. All I did was pluck them off of the stems because I don't eat the stems. So I took them off the stems, so now I'm going to soak them. And after I soak them a couple of times and clean them, then I will cut them up into pieces, and then I will soak them one more time, and then I'll do the final rinse. I don't cut them before I clean them because I feel like I might be cutting up little bugs. So I try to clean them first with the big leaf, with it being a whole leaf. And then after I get that clean, then I cut them up using my shears. You can roll them and cut them on a board, but y'all, baby, if y'all don't have a pair of cooking shears in y'all kitchen, y'all missing out. Baby, go buy your pair. I have 2 because they come. So I got my greens cut. Now that I did 4 washes, and then I cut them. So now I'm just gonna do the final wash, and that's gonna be it on the greens. And then I've got to make my cornbread for my dressing. This is what the greens look like after I washed and cut them. It looks like a lot, but in reality it's not gonna be a lot because greens do cook down a lot. So I am going to put it in a bag, put it in the fridge, and I'm going to cook them first thing in the morning. I like to pre-prep like things that's time consuming, so I won't be in the kitchen till like 4 and 5 o'clock. I can be done between 1 and 2. If I get up early in the morning, 6 in the morning, and have dinner done because I already pre-prepped. So that's what I'm finishing up tonight, and then I am going to call it a night on
Here's some water.
Go to bed. I am a little sleepy, so
Take some of these, that'll help.
let me finish doing those little final finishing touches, and we can go night night.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us